Hi folks, and welcome back. In this video here, we're still in the Google free keyword tool, and what I'm going to show you today is how to extract the keywords that you've obtained by watching the previous videos into a text editor to put them on your sites. So let's go back and use our keyword that we would use, our sporting goods store. Okay, and again, what I'd like to do is I'm going to kind of whip through this a little bit fast because we already know how to do this. So we click on local searches. So now we got the top 10 or 15 keywords we're going to use. There's several different ways to do this. There's two different ways to do this, I should say. One incorporates three different ways to do it. You can download all 100 of them if that's what you want. If all these keywords is what you've selected, you can do that, or you can go through and just select different keywords that you've chosen and said, okay, I'm going to use this, and skipping a few. Then you can download the ones that you select, as you can see there. Okay, or I can go back through and I can star them. Same kind of the same kind of thing. Starring a few, and I can download starred, so I can do it that way. So now that's three different ways in one. So what I do is all these will then come and have you download into different formats. There's several different formats to use. Typically I use the CSV for Excel, and that downloads into an Excel file. Okay, so, and you can use whichever one you want to do, and what you do is I just select that one, and then I'd say download, and it would ask me where I want to put it, and then I'm good to go. Doing it this way, that way here, you're going to have one more step after you get it into Excel. You need to get it into a text editor software. Now, what does that mean? Text editor software is a software most computers today have it installed. It's called Notepad, and basically Notepad is a text editor. Coming from a programming background, we use it to code. What text editors do is does not add any extra characters, fonts, or anything to it. Let me pull up a text editor here, and it's called Notepad. And how you would get it is just basically go into Start, Menu. I believe I'll do this off screen here. I do apologize. My Programs, and then it'd be under Accessories in Word, and it'd be right in the accessories file. Hopefully you can see that. I didn't mean to do that, but anyway, so what I got is a text editor. So the reason I want to do this is I'm not able to add characters. I'm not able to bold this, underline it. Now if you do put your keywords in Word, the Word does add extra fonts, extra spaces, extra characters. So when you copy and paste, the reason I'm doing this, folks, is I'm using this I'm going to take this and I'm going to name this keywords for my company, Sporting Good Keywords. Okay, and let me show you here a client's keywords. Here's one of our clients here, and we label it keywords as of a certain date. Here is all his keywords. This text editor lets me do it this way, meaning this is not the only format you can do in these text editors is usually word wrap and font, big and small. That's it. So I want to do that. See, these keywords are comma separated. Okay, about 99% of the systems you use, from classified ads to blogs to article sites to video sites, they want their keywords separated with a comma. Okay, very few of them use a semicolon, so that's why we use the comma. And basically what I do is, let me kind of back up here, and let's say that I want this first one as a keyword. So what I would do is Control C here, I'd copy it, bring it up and paste it, and then put a space in. So now I've got my keyword, and again, in my text editor, does not add any extra text to it, doesn't add any fonts to it. So when I get to my uploading, let's say, of my video to my YouTube site, all I would do is copy and paste right here, Control C, boom, paste that right into where it asks for tags, and it doesn't add any special characters. It takes it it's gone. In the next video, I'll show you how we actually put those into YouTube and video sites and your WordPress and everything like that. That's what you want to do. That's how I do it. It's the easiest way to do it is I go in and just grab it, Control C, bring the thing back up again, bring it, there it is, comma, and then I go on and, let's say Pat Gage, let's use some keywords, money. I'm just going to do this for you. Or you could type them in just like this. So basically what this word editor does is it doesn't allow me to do any fancy bolding, capitalizing, spell checking. There's usually nothing in these thing. Basically the basic thing is find and replace, and that's it. Formatting, I leave it off of the word wrap because you want to select all of them in one line, and basically that's what WordPress, or I should say, that's what Notepad does for you. So there's two different ways to select your keywords. You can download them from here again, or you can copy and paste them into a text editor. Now, if you do use the download and download them into an Excel, you're still going to have to take them from Excel into a text editor like Notepad. Okay, because again, if you pull off your keywords in Excel, it's going to put them in columns. Okay, text editor allows you to copy and paste like that. That's the way most sites accept their tags, one after the other with a comma or a space in between. Again, downloading them this way here is, it's easy, it's quicker, but you're still going to have to do another step. By doing it this way here, I already get it into the format that I need, that it'll help me. Boom, I'm ready to go, and then you save it. Now, what you do then is once you get your keywords pulled off, you save this in a place that you're going to remember it when you're going and uploading your videos, because these keywords, again folks, you're going to be using these keywords on your blog post, you're going to be using these pics on your video pics, you're going to use these on your photos, you're going to use these in your article updating. Everywhere that you're placing content on the web, you're going to use these keywords. So these keywords are going to have to be in an accessible place to you, and in a place that you're going to remember every time you're doing, let's say, a blog post. And I'll get another video made on that as far as in WordPress, how do you put these keywords in. So basically what I would do is let me take this let me take this as an example here. So what we do is if I'm on YouTube, I would just copy, Control C, and then I'm ready to go. And YouTube accepts this, Vidler accepts this, Break accepts this. All the video sites and article sites accept the keywords in this type of format. So I'm hoping this video was helpful for you, and I hope these videos are helpful for you too. Give me an email, give me a call, let us know how these are doing. Hopefully this makes sense. This is how to pull keywords out of Google free, the keyword tool, and get them into your sites. In the next video, we'll show you how to use these keywords when we upload a video. All right, thank you very much. This has been Pat Gage, and we'll see you on the other side.